My friend, are you ready to do me the service?
Yes. What do you want me to do?
I want you to use all your powers and all your skills. I don't want his mother to see him this way. Look how they massacred my boy.